Silent Spring is a book written by Rachel Carson, a biologist. In her book, she warned the dangers of DDT and helped to launch the environmental movement. So, a new science born called environmental science, which is a multidisciplinary subject which include environmental chemistry, physics, geology, biology, and all these comes under this topic. Before going into the scope of the subject, let us look into some environmental issues. This picture shows global warming. What is a condition called global warming? The temperature on the surface of the earth growing increasingly. So what are the disadvantages of this? The ice melts, rising sea level, the warmer ocean, damaged corals, changing rain and snow patterns, stronger storms, changes in animal migration and life cycle, higher temperatures and more heat waves, changes in plant life cycle, etc., etc. So many problems. This is a picture of a polar bear standing in a melted ice portion. Do you watch the film Ice Age 2? It clearly shows what happens when ice melts and what happens to the organisms living in the polar regions, etc., etc. This is a picture of a forest fire occur in 2019 in Amazon rainforest. All of you know Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of the planet because 20% of the available oxygen is from the Amazon forest. So let us imagine what happens to the lungs when it fires. And this is a picture of desertification. The green land changes to a desert and then become hotter and hotter and hotter. And another important issue is ozone hole or ozone layer depletion. This is a picture of an ozone hole in the Antarctic region. This blue and purple colors showing the regions where there is least ozone, and the green and yellow regions are where there is more ozone is present. Ozone depletion generally occurs when CFCs and other ozone depleting substances are emitted into the atmosphere. CFCs are generally using in refrigerators, air conditioners, etc. These are some environmental issues we are facing today. So most important thing is we should aware about all these environmental issues. By choosing this course, this open course environmental chemistry, you are more aware of the subject, and I am congratulating all of you for that. And what is the importance of the subject? It guides us to know how our developmental and day-to-day activities affect environment and how we are affected by changes in the environmental conditions. And it guides us to create a pollution-free environment, that is clean air, water, land, and food, by adopting different methods of preventing and controlling pollution. It guides common public to live an eco-friendly lifestyle by adopting the above three features, that is, knowing environmental implication of one's activities, preventing and controlling pollution, and utilizing the resources effectively in day-to-day activities. And next, It guides industries to operate in an eco-friendly mode by adopting clean and efficient technologies and installing pollution control systems. It also guides us to utilize our natural resources such as water, forest, minerals, and fossil fuels in an efficient manner. That is, with the maximum utility and minimum wastage by adopting conservation and recycling strategies. It guides us to solve complex global environmental problems such as climate change, ozone layer depletion, desertification, and energy crisis by using different interdisciplinary tools and approaches. And finally, it guides the entire development process to become sustainable by ensuring equal distribution of natural resources between present and future generations, as well as by caring for nature in every walk of life in a holistic manner. Okay, thank you.